welcome to another video. So in today's video, it's going to be a lot different from my normal videos. So in the past week, I received Loom Star of the Week. And if you don't know what Loom Star of the Week is, it's normally like a little contest, I guess you can kind of say. But it's like kind of like a raffle at the same time. So RAINBOWLOOM, the company, the official company brand, and they basically pick out of each Friday, they pick some designs out on what they really enjoy and stuff from many loomers. So I won Loom Star of the Week for this week, September 21st, and yeah, I'm very honored, and I want to say thank you, official RAINBOWLOOM, for picking me as a Loom Star of the Week. And I really want to say thank you once again very much. I'm very honored, and I'm excited to check out what's inside the box. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got inside. So far it came with this paper here, a little letter from official RAINBOWLOOM, and it says thank you for like supporting their product and stuff, and for inspiring other loomers. And yeah, so they're looking forward to seeing what other creations I can create, and I'm very honored, and I want to say thank you, RAINBOWLOOM team, for giving me this. I really appreciate it. Once again, I really am excited to open this out and get to share with you guys some creations of what I'm going to be making. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and check what's inside the box here. And by the way, no bragging or anything. I am not bragging, 100% not. But I'm just gonna, this is just a simple unboxing video, and maybe what you guys can look forward to if you guys get Loom Star of the Week. And I'll show you my Instagram post of what bracelet I won it with. So if you guys don't know, in my last two tutorials, I showed you guys how to make the Velvetto bracelet, and I posted it on my Instagram. I'll pull up the post right here on the screen so you can see the post, and I won based off of this design, so I'm very honored. And so the first pack that I got is some purple bands, and these are how they look like. Purple opaque bands, and I love those because right now I am currently making a project. I'll show you that project right now. So the current project that I am making is Barney. I'm very excited to finish this, and he's so far this big, and I'll put the link in the description box down below to the tutorial and the creator of who made that Barney. And yeah, if you guys don't know who Barney is, it's that little dinosaur character, and yeah, so it's a little cartoon show, but that's what I'm making currently. Next up, I got the mixed the rainbow tie-dye band. So these are these bands here, and yeah, so those are those. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much what I can say. I'm literally speechless right now. Next up, I got some yellow bands, and these are the opaque bands, and I can hopefully now make the one of the minions on Looming with Cheryl's channel, so I'm so excited to do that. Next up, the next color pack of bands that I got is red bands here, and these are also official RAINBOWLOOMs, of course, and these are how they look like. The next up that I got, I'm going to kind of adjust the light so you can see a bit more. And the next one that I got is the glow bands, and these are the purple one, the electric purple. Super cool. So these are how these bands look like. I've been wanting these bands for a while, and I finally get to have them, yay! And let's see, next up I have the solid black rubber bands. So these are the normal black rubber bands. Need lots of those for future projects. Next up I have some pink rubber bands, yay! So these are the pink rubber bands. I've been meaning to grab these, but I just literally keep forgetting to. And official RAINBOWLOOM, thank you very much, because now I can make something with pink. So those are all the packets of rubber bands that I got, and for now I'm gonna go ahead and continue showing you guys what else that I got. So next up I got the upgrade kit for the hook. And if you guys don't know, the hook before was a plastic crochet hook, and for others it caused problems because it was breaking. But official Rainbow Loom has created the metal tip crochet hook, if you guys haven't noticed, in their new Rainbow Loom set. So now they have like a normal tan one, which goes perfect, and now they have other colors too. So here I got the blue one with the fishtail creator, the mini Rainbow Loom, of course. And here's the side here, so you can see. So there's that. I'm excited because that's the first actual colored hook that I have. I normally have the normal original tan rubber band hooks. So yeah. Next up, I got the Rainbow Loom extension bases. I seen this when it first came out, and I didn't think I'd get it because like they're online and stuff, but I actually got them, yay! So these are the base plates for creating for your loom, and they go really handy, very well. These are super cool, and I can't wait to test them out. And there's 2 more things left. Next up, I have the finger loom. I got the purple one here, and these are the color bands that they come with. Such cool colors. I love the colors of the bands here. So yeah, and it comes with instructions and how to use the finger loom. Let me know if I should try and come up with a few designs on the finger loom. I'm super excited to try it out. And here is the back. And the last thing that I got here is the Rainbow Loom Loomy Loom. Loomy Loom here is a hook only. It's a hook to create hook only designs and stuff. So here is how the hook looks like. It's a double-ended crochet hook. Now I have this already, but double crochet hooks, the more the merrier, is great. Perfectly wonderful. This is such a great hook to create hook-only designs. For example, like hook-only bracelets, as you can see here by Expert Looms. And here we have the fox by Looming with Cheryl, and another flower by Expert Looms, and a little Frankenstein charm head by Isalicious Designs. So yeah, those are other loomers. And yeah, so let me know if you want to see an unboxing video with this, but it's already pretty much a year ago they created this. But I'm very honored to having another Loomy Loom. So thank you, Rainbow Loom, for that. Now, I think that's it. So next up, I got the silicone oil for the rubber bands, because sometimes, as you may notice, the Rainbow Loom packets, sometimes the bands break. Not the Rainbow Loom packets, but sometimes in your creations, the bands seem to tear out because they're already getting old, and maybe because of the moisture in the air, the weather conditions that it's been through. So I'm very happy to get this finally, because it'd be perfect to use for my Rainbow Loom Loomagurumi little Barney here, as you can see. So yeah, it goes perfectly well, and I can't wait to use this oil to help make sure my project lasts longer. And yeah, so I'm super excited to be looking forward to doing that. And yeah, so this is pretty much all the stuff that I got. So thank you, official Rainbow Loom, for this lovely prize that I've gotten from Loom Star of the Week. I am very honored to receive this gift, and I want to say thank you very much. And yeah, and I want to most importantly say thank you to all of my supporters out there. Thank you very much. And thank you for you guys sticking along with me through this journey, and I hope to come up with some more designs soon coming your way, so be on the lookout for some more cool designs. I'm hoping to post some more tutorials soon this week, so stay on the lookout and stay tuned for that. So without further ado, anyways, I will see you guys later in my next tutorial or video. So I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you guys haven't already, give this video a big giant thumbs up for me, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more great future content like this. And if you subscribe to my channel, you can become part of the Minion Loom squad, because like, who doesn't want to be in the Minion Loom squad? It's super fun, and you get to do a lot of stuff like DIYs, maybe drawings and stuff, and maybe you can learn a few calligraphy tips. I don't know, I'm thinking to start something new on my channel. Add a bit of different tutorials, I guess. So yeah, there's a little sneak peek of what's coming your way, I guess. But anyways, comment down below any other video ideas you guys want to see on my channel. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So thank you very much for watching this video. Anyways, Minion Loomer is out. Bye!